I'm the Director of Operations and Production, so it basically means that I'm responsible for the mills and the machinery, and production is in ensuring that there's always lime in the sheds to be loaded out. So I cover 3 sites and store at Martin as well, bulk store at Martin. Throughout the winter, most of my time is occupied with just repairs and maintenance and upgrading and organising the staff on a daily basis. And then the summer's really just spent visiting the plants and making sure that there's no problems. The actual product is it's been set up in a way that there's really not a lot of hassle involved in that. I know that that's kept dry throughout the whole process. I know that it's always crushed to the right standard. I constantly sort of every 2 or 3 months screen test the product myself, and after a while you do get to know. You can grab a lime in your hand and you get to know whether it's a passable grade or not. It's not until people actually come on site and see the quarry and see the crushes and then they realise what it actually takes to make a tonne of lime. The Morrisville quarry is quite a lot different. It's got a much more harder seam of limestone in it. We produce a lot more rock there. It's a very old seam. The works has been there for about 100 years, coming up 100 years. So the plant and everything's a lot older, and we're sort of bringing in new technology into it. But the quarry is about 1 kilometre away from the plant, and because of the rock we have to have different type of crushers, a lot bigger. My granddad actually set up a unique milling process there. Uses some pretty big horsepower, but it's does the job of 2 crushers. Waipawa is a very efficient plant and the output is about 40,000 tonne a year. Very similar process. They use a motor scraper and similar crushers to what we have on site here. This is what my granddad set up and that. And every now and then you sort of have a stop and just think about what it would have been like 50 years ago.
I just finished 26 years. A-grade quarry manager's ticket. I think I did a B grade first, which I thought was intense, and I did all my Exito certificates, which I managed to get through with the help. I got a very good trainer from Exito, and then went for an A grade certificate with Daniel. Took me right out of my comfort zone. Safety is a big thing, so your training is paramount. Most of the guys have been put through Exito training. They sit certificates in like extractive quarrying, and they just get put through unit standards. The training here is second to none. You know, we've had guys that have moved on there, and we've had the comments that come back to us about their training and how good they are in machinery and that, and it's very pleasing. It's a family environment here to the guys that have been here a while. Having that here is just something very special.